Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get honey blocks in Terraria. Honey blocks are a fantastic and versatile building material, offering unique properties that can enhance your gameplay. They are not only great for construction, but also provide interesting effects like slowing down movement, which can be incredibly useful in traps or for creating unique arenas. Understanding how to acquire them is a key step for many advanced building projects and crafting endeavors in your world. To begin your quest for honey blocks, you first need to locate the source, liquid honey. This precious resource is exclusively found within the underground jungle biome, deep beneath the surface. Search for large, distinct beehive structures, which are typically filled with pools of golden liquid honey. Make sure you have at least one empty bucket in your inventory, as this is the essential tool for collecting the liquid honey you will need for crafting. Once you have collected your liquid honey, the next step is crafting the blocks themselves. The recipe is quite straightforward. You will need 1 bucket of liquid honey combined with 1 block of any type of stone. This crafting process must be performed at a workbench, which is one of the most basic crafting stations available. Each successful crafting action will yield exactly 1 honey block, so gather plenty of materials for your building projects. Honey blocks offer a variety of creative and strategic uses in Terraria. Their most notable property is slowing down anything that moves through them by 50%, making them excellent for traps or defensive structures. They also interact uniquely with other liquids, allowing for interesting water and lava flow designs. For large-scale projects, consider setting up a dedicated honey farm to ensure a consistent and abundant supply of liquid honey for all your crafting needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.